So far, nothing yet. This is where it starts. Next, Maya's team has a recurring supply problem. We'll define what done looks like, split the process into what AI should and shouldn't touch, and sketch the first agent architecture.
Okay, shortage on the BC 450 line again. Third time this quarter.
Let me guess. Analysts back to opening 6 tabs and a prayer.
4 systems, an email thread, and Priya's personal spreadsheet nobody else understands. I want to know if we can build something that actually does this. Looks at the shortage, checks the suppliers, makes a call, gets it approved, cuts the PO.
Not a chatbot that just sounds smart about it.
Not a chatbot that sounds smart about it.
Then let's say it out loud, right now. We are not building the whole thing today.
Speak for yourself.
We're building the smallest possible version and breaking it on purpose, repeatedly.
Okay, fair. Watch this.
The goal was never a chatbot. It was an agent that could understand a business objective, use real tools, make a call, and safely act on it. But they weren't going to build all of it today. They were going to start with the smallest possible agent and get it wrong on purpose until it couldn't get it wrong anymore.
Great. Love it. Very actionable.
How will we know it worked?
It solves the shortage.
Solves it how? Compared to what? By Tuesday or eventually?
She does this every time.
It's why we still have a job.
1. Identify the material. 2. Get the quantity and the date we need it by. 3. Pull eligible suppliers. 4. Compare cost, delivery, quality, risk. 5. Recommend something. 6. Get it approved by the right person. 7. Only then cut the PO. 8.
8?
Write down every decision it made and why. Because someone will ask, eventually, and the AI thought it was a good idea, doesn't survive an audit.
That I can hold someone to.
Without a measurable outcome, a team can build a very impressive-looking chatbot that never actually finishes the job. So before a line of agent code got written, the team wrote down, in public, exactly what worked meant.
Reading documents, figuring out what a request even means, explaining a trade-off in plain English, flagging what's missing. That's the model's job.
Calculating landed cost isn't the model's job. Applying approval limits, checking a supplier's status, catching a duplicate transaction, enforcing the actual business rules, that's all code. I've watched an LLM confidently add freight twice.
Approving anything high value, resolving a policy conflict, accepting a real risk exception, anything legal or compliance flags, a person signs off, always.
So the AI isn't doing the whole thing.
It was never going to. It's one component in an architecture. A very good one, not the architecture.
Say it like it's a demotion.
It's a promotion. It only has to be good at the part it's actually good at.
A production agent assigns every task to whichever component is actually built to do it. The model, the rules, or a person. The language model is one piece of that, not the whole system.
There, ship it.
No validation, no state, no security, no approval anywhere in that diagram.
It's a first draft.
Then let's label it like one.
I like it better honest.
Fine. Version 0.
This architecture is enough for a demo. It is not enough for production, and the team knew that going in. They started small on purpose, so every component they added after this would have an obvious reason to exist. That's the shape of the problem and the shape of the fix. Now let's actually build the thing.